Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a way to elevate your skincare routine, today's product might just be the game changer you need. We're reviewing the home-use microneedling microneedle skincare beauty kit tool for face, hair, and beard. This kit is designed for at-home use, offering a convenient solution for skincare enthusiasts looking to target specific areas, whether it's your face, hairline, or beard. Now, let's dive into the details. The microneedling tool features 0.25mm needles, a common length for at-home treatments. It's built with high-quality materials, ensuring a comfortable experience while delivering the benefits of microneedling without the need for professional assistance. The tool is compact, lightweight, and portable, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Whether you're treating your skin, beard, or even targeting hair regrowth, this tool is suitable for both men and women. In terms of usability, this microneedling tool is incredibly straightforward. Setting it up is simple, and it doesn't require any special training or expertise. I was able to use it for targeted microneedling sessions on my face with no hassle. Whether you're using it for a rejuvenating facial treatment or attempting beard growth, the tool provides just the right amount of pressure for effective results. It's gentle, but you can still feel the microneedles working their magic. However, it's important to note that while this tool does offer great value for at-home use, it doesn't replace the need for professional treatments if you're after more intense results. The 0.25mm needles are ideal for superficial treatments like boosting serum absorption or improving skin texture. But if you're looking to address deeper skin issues or more pronounced hair thinning, you might need a longer needle or professional-grade equipment. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. One of the strongest points of this microneedling tool is its portability. It's light and compact, making it easy to carry in your bag for quick treatments wherever you are. Another plus is the ease of use. For anyone new to microneedling, this is a great starter tool. The affordable price point also makes it accessible to a wider audience. However, the 0.25mm needle length limits its depth of treatment. It's perfect for mild skincare and beard maintenance, but may not provide the deeper penetration needed for more intense treatments like scar reduction or hair regrowth. In terms of value for money, this product offers reasonable performance for its price. It won't break the bank, and if you're just getting started with microneedling or looking for a light treatment, it's an excellent option. Compared to professional devices, it does have its limitations, but it's a solid choice for those seeking a portable and easy-to-use tool. When we compare this microneedling tool with similar options, it stands out due to its simplicity and portability. There are other microneedling devices on the market that feature higher needle lengths or additional features, but they're often more expensive and designed for more advanced users. This product is a good middle ground for those just starting to incorporate microneedling into their routine without committing to a more expensive or complex device. The build quality of this microneedling tool is solid. The materials feel sturdy enough to last through repeated use, and the compact size makes it a durable option for travel. While it's designed for home use, the construction doesn't feel flimsy, and it performs reliably during each session. Customer support didn't come into play for this review since I didn't need to contact the company directly. However, the brand's reputation for quality and user-friendliness generally suggests a positive track record. If you're considering alternatives, there are similar tools in this price range that offer different features, such as adjustable needle lengths or larger kits with additional accessories. However, if you're after a simple, no-frills tool for basic microneedling treatments, this one could be your go-to option. To wrap up, this home-use microneedling kit is a solid, budget-friendly option for those looking to add microneedling to their skincare routine. It's compact, effective for mild treatments, and easy to use. While it might not deliver the depth or intensity of professional treatments, it's a reliable tool for maintaining healthy skin and stimulating beard growth. If you're looking for a no-hassle, portable microneedling device, this could be the one for you. Is this review useful to you? If so, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other skincare enthusiasts can find this video. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase this product will be in the comments box below. Let me know if you have any questions or if you've used this product yourself. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep your beauty routine perfect.